Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today you see a really colorful, beautiful scarf in front of us, so I'm going to show you how you can do it. It looks really great, it's super easy to do, and I'm going to show you what I used and how I did it. So stay tuned. So you guys, here is our Lion Brand Yarns Landscapes is what it's called. And you can see the rainbow colors on here. It looks really wonderful. It's super vibrant. So let's see the details. We have 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 174 yards, 134 meters. It's 100% acrylic. And the recommended size for crocheting hooks is 6 millimeters, 6.5. So I'm going to use my 6 millimeter one, should work just fine. The color is called Broad Walk Promenade if you want this exact one. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to take the middle out. This is super soft. It's really cool to work with. So yeah, we're starting with a lighter blue shade. So I'm going to move the ball to the side so that I have enough room on here. And I'm going to start with a slip knot as always, and then I'm going to do 18 chains. Three and 4. Ten, 11, we need 18. There we go, so that's going to be the width. So now into the 5th chain from our hook. So we're going to leave 1, 2, 3, and 4 out. So it's going to be for the distance and for the height. You're going to see in a moment what I mean. So we're going to go into the 5th chain with a yarn over, and we're going to go through 2 and through 2 again, and then we're going to do a chain. And we're going to do another treble just like this into the same spot. So yarn over, through 2 again, and then a chain. Or no chain here, sorry. So we're skipping one chain on the bottom though, and then we're going to do the exact same thing. A treble, a chain, and a treble. There we go. So now again, leave one chain out, no chain on top, then a treble, a chain, and another treble into the same spot. Leave another one out, treble, chain, treble. So we always leave one chain out, and then in the next chain go always a treble, a chain, and a treble. Okay, so now we're at the end. I only have one chain left over, so that one is going to get just one treble. And that's how we're always going to end our row. And now you can already see my first row, so in trebles with chains in between, and on the bottom we always have one chain left out. Now we're going to do 3 chains for the height, and that's how we're always going to start a new row. Then we're going to turn, and now I'm just going to go around the chain between the 2 trebles, and I'm going to do the same structure in there. So I'm going to do treble, chain, treble into the same spot. And then I'm not going to skip any chains anymore. I don't need to count anymore. I'm just always going to go in the middle of the V, and I'm going to do the new V. And when I say V, I mean treble chain, treble structure, because it looks like a V. So now we just keep working on treble chain, treble structures. And you can see really quickly how lovely it looks and how nicely it builds on top of one another. And here again, treble, chain, and treble. Another treble, and we're almost done. Last V in here. And yeah, now we have here the chains that we started with, and there is gonna go just one treble. And then I'm done with my second row. So you can already see the color change, and I think it looks awesome. So I'm just gonna keep going till I get a new color change. So I'm going to do 3 chains for the height, I'm going to turn my work, and then I'm going to keep going just like I did so far. So always in the middle of the existing V is where we do a new V again. So I'll be back with an update and I'll show you some new colors then. So you guys, here we started with the blue, the lighter, and then the darker one, and then we moved on to all different kinds of shades. So you can see here some yellow, orange, pink, purple, and yeah, I'm gonna do a bit more and then I'll be back. So you can see what a wonderful length we have here and awesome colors. It's super vibrant. I really love the shades. And yeah, now I don't have any more yarn to do another full row. So I'm gonna pull this out and then I'm gonna tighten just a little bit to keep everything in place. So that's what we need to weave in. The beginning is what we need to weave in, and apart from that, we're done. If you want a loop scarf, you can of course use the leftover yarn and then just connect the 2 ends and that way get a loop. And this is about 140 centimeters long, so it's gonna be pretty nice when you wear it around your neck. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like the structure on here. I think it's really cool. It's a little bit lighter, but since the wool is pretty warm, it's still gonna keep you warm even if the weather is cold. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up if you did. You can also subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like, you can click on the notification bell, and that way you'll get notified every time I post something new. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!